Hello, you are welcome. The question here says simplify 2x all over x squared minus 3x plus 2 plus 2x over x minus 1 minus x all over x minus 2. Now, if we look at this is a quadratic denominator. So, the first thing for us to reason here is to see how to factor this or to factorize this quadratic expression there. So, I can simply say this 2x up there and then all over. To factor this, we simply look for, since this coefficient of x squared is 1, because this is like 1x squared. To factor this, the simple way would be to look for two numbers. Or you can first of all open up bracket like this. You now look for two numbers such that their product is 2, that is positive 2, and their sum is negative 3. So two numbers that their product is positive 2 and their sum is negative 3, they are negative 2 and negative 1. So that negative 2 multiplied by negative 1 will give us positive 2, and then negative 2 added to negative 1 will give us negative 3. So if we expand this bracket now, it's going to take us back to this. And then now we can write this down as 2x all over x minus 1 and then minus x all over x minus 2. Now, if you look at this, we have factors here, x minus 2, x minus 1, and we have x minus 1, x minus 2. So, the best way to solve this is to take the LCM. Just to take the LCM. Now, the LCM is to pick out of these two that are the same, just simply pick one. So, I have x minus 2. And then the x minus 1 and x minus 1, they are also the same. You simply pick one. So when you have two values like that are the same, just simply pick only one as LCM. So this is the LCM of what we have, these three terms here. This is their LCM. So now, as usual, we go by the way of fraction. This divided by this will give us 1. And then 1 multiplied by 2x will give us 2x. And then this divided by this, that is this x minus 1, we cancel x minus 1. And you are left with x minus 2. So x minus 2 will multiply this 2x. So I can put the plus here, then 2x, and then the x minus 2 that we got. And then now the last term here, we say this divided by this. So it's going to be x minus 2, we cancel x minus 2, and we'll be left with x minus 1. So we use this x to multiply the x minus 1. So the negative sign is here, and then I multiply by this term that we got here, x minus 1. So now we can simplify further. We can simplify further to get the answer, the final answer. So expanding this bracket now, I can write this one first, 2x. Then I expand this bracket, I have plus 2x squared. Then 2x multiplied by negative 2 will give me negative 4x. And then negative x multiplied by x will give me negative x squared. Negative x squared. And then negative x multiplied by negative 1 will give me positive x. Because negative multiplied by negative is positive. Then don't forget we have the denominator there. That is x minus 2. And then x minus 1. So we can continue to simplify further now by adding like terms. So this is 2x squared minus x squared will give us 1x squared, which is simply x squared. 2x minus 4x, that is, it will give you negative 2x. Then plus x will give you negative 1x, which is the same thing as negative x. So this part here has simplified to this. And then all over x minus 2 and then x minus 1. So if we look at the numerator, we can still factor this numerator. Let's see if it will give us anything similar to what we have as the denominator. So to factor this, x is common there. So x squared divided by x, I'm left with x. And then minus x divided by x will give us 1. So that when we expand this bracket, it take us back to this one. And then all over x minus 2, x minus 1. So if you look at it properly now, you will see that we can cancel the same term. So this x minus 1 can cancel x minus 1, so that we can finally have our answer there, which is equal to, so let me just put the final answer here, which is equal to x all over x minus 2 as the terms that are left here. And this is the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos like this. Thank you for watching.